Okay. I know some people might be disappointed in me for saying this, but I am so sorry. Just say it in a way that I really need to clear what is on ground because of the young ones that have interest in the industry and they are still coming. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọmọ ń bọ̀ ní industry. Please, I am very sorry. I will be mixing it together. I will say it the way I think I can explain myself. I will be saying Yoruba and I will be saying English in a way that I think you can understand it better. Thank you so much. Okay, like I said, a lot of people now, they have interest in the industry because of the celebrity, because of their role model. And I think I am one of the role models they have interest in before they want to come and join the industry. So young ones are coming, most especially the female ones. They have interest in the industry and they want to join. So I just have to clear this because a lot of big people, a lot of fantastic people all over the world, they said, Odun, just say something. You don't need to reply everything that they say about you. It is normal. That is why you are a celebrity. Yes, you don't need to reply everything, but there are some things that they will say about you that you need to clear it. Let me clear this one. They said, I normally ask for sex before giving anybody a role in OAFP. Odunlade Adekola ọmọ Seriki Babalogun. Ni mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa ní kọ́mọ kan kó gbé ìdí wá kó tó di pé mo fún ní role. Hi. They said I asked Nike and Sat and other people and Eniola Ajawo, Taiwo Aromoku, all the ladies in my group that I asked them for sex before giving them a role in my movie, me. I am saying this now and I'm putting it to every one of them, everybody that has passed through me, all the ladies that has passed through me. Ọlọ́run ló ṣe o, èèyàn kankan ló máa sọ̀yàn di star. It's only God that can make you a star. Nobody can make you a star. But every one of them, I mean ladies, from Taiwo Aromoku to Eniola Ajawo to Tosin to Nike Amsat to Biola Adekunle to Bukky Adeeyo, ó bá jẹ́ Yoshipi, kò bá Yoke, ó bá jẹ́ Pẹlẹbẹ, ó bá Sanra. Every one of them, if I didn't remember their name, please remind them. If I've ever asked you for sex before I give you any role, there's all over. Gbogbo yín ogbo obìnrin tó ti pass through mi kọjá àti ìtọ́ ìwà lọ́dọ̀ mi lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ pé mo bi ẹ́ léèrè rí pé gbé abẹ́ wá kí n tó fún ẹ ní role. Tó bá bò mí, Ọlọ́run ò ní bò ẹ́. You will prosper, you will be great, but I need to clear this. Just come out and say under this video, anyone that is on OAFP now, I just have to come out to clear this because of the young ones that is coming into the industry later. Please, I just have to do this. I just have to do it. Okay, there are some blogs, there are some, I don't want to mention anybody's name because that is what they need. I can't give anybody any publicity. I'm so sorry. I joined the industry in 1996. That is about 25 years ago that I've been trying to build my name to this level. And some people will now sit somewhere all because they want to get food on their table. You will not think you want to ruin my image. Don't come to me. I need the proof. I need the proof that I'm dating Nike or I asked her that I must make love with her or ask her for sex before I give her any role. But when you were behind here, that you are planning to bring me down for the past 25 years that I've been in the industry, if you don't bring the proof that I'm dating Nike or I ask anyone for sex before giving them any role, if you don't come out to give me the proof, ìbínú Ọlọ́run ọba, ìbínú Ọlọ́run ọba, ìbínú Ọlọ́run ọba, òun lẹ máa rí, òun lẹ máa rí. Okay, Ọlọ́run á bá ẹ wí, Ọlọ́run á bá ẹ wí. If I just see that proof, Ọlọ́run á bá ẹ wí. Àfi tó bá jẹ́ Ọlọ́run òkú ni mo ń sìn lókù. àfi tí o bá sọ́nà láàyè mọ́. I have loved to promote people, a lot of them. I have more than 22 or 25 people in the industry. They are doing well, that they have graduated under me, and you know them very well. I don't want to be mentioning names. You know them already. Ọkùnrin wà ńbẹ̀, obìnrin wà ńbẹ̀. Ṣé mo ní kọ́kùnrin gbé dìwà ni? Àbí gbogbo àwọn obìnrin mélòó lábẹ́ òun gan? Sábẹ́ òun gan ò ní lá. Sábẹ́ òun gan ò ti ní kóbó. Wọ́n wá ní ẹni kẹ́ ń wá, ó insult ìyàwó mi, ó ń bá rúbì, ó ń bú rúbì. Wọ́n ní níkẹ́ ń bú rúbì, ó ń ṣépè fún wọn jọ ń jà. Nínú ilé wo lọ́dọ̀ ta ni? I'm a disciplinarian, no, maybe because you don't know. Ẹ wá plan wípé ẹ fẹ́ bring me down. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ gbà tẹ́mi ń ṣiṣẹ́, I will be on the road lóru. Ìwọ sùn gbà yẹn. Bí mo ṣe ṣe nìyẹn. That was how I've been doing it for the past 25 years. You now think this is the high time for you to bring me down? Niwo, I am very sure a lot of people behind this rubbish. Púpọ̀ ló yẹ ẹ ti pé 50 years, ẹ ti pé 55. 8 minutes la máa jà bí kí n jù ẹ lọ. You now think what I've been doing for that years, for 25 years, you want to bring me down? Never. Don't come to má wà sọ́dọ̀ fèmí lẹ̀, má wà sọ́dọ̀ tèmi. O sún síwájú. Nítorí ọdún ò kì í sọ̀rọ̀, ọdún ò ní sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ wá, ó mọ ó para nínú fíìmù. Ẹni bá para nínú fíìmù, para wà lára ẹni. My beautiful fans, my intelligent fans, and try láti mislead wọn. They just want this every day. They are trying to mislead you. They are trying to brainwash you. All because they want followers. They want you to follow them. Orí òkè tí mo dúró lé kì í ṣorí ìyanrìn. Orí òkè ni mo dúró lé. Ẹ máa yí ṣorí ìyanrìn. Orí òkè ni mo dúró lé. Mi lè wo láíláí. Láyé. Láti gbà wo mi ní ṣubú láyé. Anybody tó bá ń gbìyànjú láti gbé mi ṣubú, Ọlọ́run á gbé wọn ṣubú ni. Ọlọ́run á dojú ìjà kọ yín. Ilẹ̀ wà ní Revolution Plus Property. Káàkiri ó wà l'Ọ́bàdà, ó wà ní Lẹ́kí. Ó bí mi léèrè bó ṣe lè ralẹ̀. Ó ń gọ́sìpù káàkiri. Orun ẹnìkan. Tiẹ̀. Wọ́n lẹ̀ mọ̀ ta. Lọ́tọ̀ 27 wà ń bẹ̀. Ó bí mi léèrè báwo ló ṣe lè ṣoríire díẹ̀. Ó jókòó síbì kan, ó ń gbé káàkiri, ó bá mi bọ̀. Gómìnà wà ń bẹ̀, ó gbé síwájú kó rọra dà jẹ́ kó máa mú, àbí kó bí mi léèrè báwo ló yẹ lè distributor. I have packaged something about this. You will see it on Friday on Sam Alajo on OAFP TV. It's on OAFP TV. Gidigba, you will watch it there. You will see your life. What will happen to you later? Igi tí Ọlọ́run ti gbìn ní mi ò, mi ní wó láíláí.
Ọ̀pọ̀ ènìyàn wò mí títí wọ́n sọ wípé òògùn ló ń ṣiṣẹ́. Wọ́n ní babaláwo tí mo gbógun lé wí fókó náà gan ni. Ẹlòmíràn tún ní wípé ṣe bí àárín nígbà tó lọ. Wọ́n ní àárín lábẹ́ igi ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ kan ò báwo ló ṣe jẹ́. Wọ́n ti gbàgbé fọlọ́run tó ga jayé lọ ló máa ń dára o. Tí bá sùn tí mo bá jí ọ máa rí. Ìyàwó tí mo gbógun lé wí fókó náà gan ni. Ẹlòmíràn tún ní wípé ṣe bí àárín nígbà tó lọ.
Hello guys, welcome to this channel. So this is Odunlade Adekola, one of the most popular actors in Yoruba industry. He also does some English movies. So here he is defending his interest, because they accused him that he always sleep with every lady that comes to work under him in his industry. So they said before he gives them a role to play, he always have sex with them, and he was so upset and he's so angry. He said people have been talking and he has not been answering. He has not been talking because he believes celebrities do not need to do that, because everyone will have a mouth to say something, one thing or the other. But this time around he is so furious because what they said really shook him, and he feels they want to drag his name to the mud and they just want to try to bring him down after 25 years of hard labor. So I don't know if you have any other thing to say, but to me, I would say I love the fact that he reacted reacted to this, evil statement about him, because there was a time a lot of rumors have been flying about that he's sleeping with one lady that is so popular, one of the ladies he mentioned. I don't want to mention them. So I just love the way he is able to stand up and defend his interests. If you have anything to say, please do, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.